What should you pack in your suitcase if you're coming to Ross? The first one's a little obvious, so non-green scrubs. If you're coming to Ross, if you're going into vet prep or you're going into first semester, you're going to need a couple pairs of non-green scrubs. The reason you're not allowed to wear green is because that color is reserved for our 6th and 7th semesters here at Ross, and it marks us as starting our surgical training in 6th semester. So those colors are reserved for 6th and 7th, but you can have any other color that you prefer from vet prep, first semester to 5th semester. With that, the amount you should bring is really personal preference. Sometimes I just don't get to my laundry every week, so when I came down here, I think I brought 4 to 5 pairs of scrubs, and that was definitely more than enough for me, being in GA lab twice a week, and then also doing some skill labs after, like EVS labs. The second thing I would recommend bringing down here when you move is something from home or decorations from home. I know it makes me feel better when I have decorations in my house because a lot of the houses here are white walls with nothing on them. So yeah, I definitely recommend bringing some decorations. It might make you feel a little bit better from being far away from home as well. Something I would recommend against, I guess, is bringing too many shoes. I have so many shoes at home and here, and I think I might wear the same 4 to 5 pairs of shoes, and I think there's about 10 in my closet down here. And it definitely took up a lot of space in my suitcase, and I'm definitely gonna have to send home some things early when my family comes down here in August because there's no way I'm fitting them all in my suitcase with everything else I need to take home at the end of 7th. The third thing, probably the most important thing, I should have put this at number 1, is your pillow. If you have a pillow at home that you love dearly, I do, and I forgot it. The first, second, third, and fourth time I came back to Island, every single time I forgot it. Bring your pillow. It will save you on restless nights. It'll save your neck, your back. You need your sleep. You need to rest peacefully. You need to rest comfortably. So please bring your pillow if it means that much to you, because mine does, and it's still in the States. The fourth thing I would recommend bringing, probably in bulk, would be if you have specific skincare and hair care routines and regimens, because a lot of higher end brands that are sold in the States aren't sold here. I think the most common ones are Pantene, L'Oreal, Tresemme for hair, and then face wash. I've seen more CeraVe on the shelves here now, but it's not consistent. It's not when they get a shipment in, it's every week. It's like maybe every month. So it could be sporadic. So I would say, like, I use Cetaphil for my face wash, CeraVe for my face lotion. I would recommend buying those maybe 2 at a time if you go home after every semester. But if not, and you don't have anybody coming down here to visit you, I would buy it in bulk and bring it. I just realized how long this was, so I'm gonna make a part 2. And if anybody else has specific questions, comment them or message me.